Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video tutorial about Microsoft Word 2019. Today I am going to give overview of Microsoft Word 2019. First we'll talk about the title bar. You can see at the top middle documents one, it is a title of the documents that is currently open. It is called the title bar, and you can see here at the top left corner it is called a quick access bar. We have a few options here. If I hover over this particular icon, you can see the name of this individual icon name. It is a save button, and that's next one is undo and the redo. If you want to add some more quick access button, we can simply expand this and we can tick the option that we want to appear here. Suppose if I want to this quick print, just click and it will appear here. If we doesn't want this, again we can uncheck this and it will go off. And you can see here several options. If you want to more than this, you can go to more commands and you can select from here. And next you can see a file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, view, help. These are the tabs. And here this section called ribbon, if we click on any tab, suppose insert, we'll see the different ribbon, and each ribbon are separated into different groups. Suppose you can see here clipboard, fonts, paragraph, stylish, like that. And you can see a small icon. If we click on this icon, you will see a more advanced option for this particular groups. And next we'll talk about status bar. At the bottom left corner we can see page, words, how many words. Suppose if you type any words, it will count the words, how many words that we have typed, like this. And here you can see the language, and this is all fonts proofing error. You can see these are the errors because I have typed randomly, no matter. And the next we have here view bar at the right bottom corner. It will give us a different view of the page. For example, if I hover over this first icon, you can see this read mode. If I click on this, you can see my page got just like nothing it has. It is good for the reading view. And the next you can see here print layout. If I click on this, we'll see this default page. And the third option we have the web layout. If you are typing for any web pages, you can use this. I will go to the print layout view, and here you can see zoom slider. If we want to zoom out, zoom in the page, we can use these options. And here you can see a scroll bar to scroll the page up down. This is the overview of the Microsoft Word 2019. I hope like this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comments. Thank you for watching.